welcome to my Let's Code Along series. I am not good at this at all. I know a few things and there will be a lot of mistakes probably. So what I have in mind is that we will have some sort of cooking challenge for a mobile app. Different ingredients will drop down from outside the screen, and you will use your finger to drag these ingredients into a cooking pot or into the trash. Alright, so the first thing I would like to do for this game at the very least is to change the background of the game. So I don't want a blue background, I would like a black background. Alright, because we're gonna work with white squares, and we will start with making just a square here for our cooking pot and trash can. So let's just create a sprite, a simple square that we can call container. So let's just drag these in here and let's make them 3 by 3. Yeah, 3 by 3 is good. We will put one down there, and we will rename this to, let's call it cooking pot. And then we can duplicate this and do the same over here and call this one trash can. Perfect. Alright, and then we need another sprite and call this food object that for now will serve as both trash and food and ingredient. Let's just drag it in here and we can see how it looks. So basically the food or the ingredients, the food object will come down here and you will touch it and move it into either a trash can or either a cooking pot or a trash can. And if you miss, you will get minus on points perhaps. Alright, so now we have our basic layout. Let's continue with some coding. Let's just make the food object move down. Right, so let's create a C# script here that we call food object. We can open it up in Visual Studios and let's see here. Alright, so we need a way to make this object fall down towards the bottom of the screen. There's a few ways we can do this, and of course the choice is yours if you're doing it yourself. I, on the other hand, will use a rigid body. So let's just add a rigid body 2D that have a gravity scale of 1, freeze rotation C, even though it doesn't exist in a 2D game project. And for now we will freeze the x-axis as we don't want it to move along the x-axis. Let's see here what happens when we play the game. Hey! It's falling to the ground. Perfect. Alright, so there seems to be an issue with Unity that makes it zoom in here, which I do not like. So I will keep that one to the side for now until I've found out a way to resolve it. Hopefully until the next episode. We will see. But now we've gotten the food object to move along a line down to the bottom of the screen, and well, it actually keeps moving on forever too, with no stop, which is something we will deal with in a later episode. What we will do now is just simply make sure that we add the rigid body to the script. So rigid body 2D, I would like to call it RB. And let's instantiate it in the start method. The void start, make sure that RB equals a get component of this object. We need an rigid body 2D to make this work. And let's make this required component of type of, yes, type of, and rigid body 2D. This way, when we add this script to a game object, we will make sure that we have a rigid body. Now, when that's instantiated, we can use it later in the code. But let's end the first episode here. Hope you liked it. I kinda enjoyed playing it. And hopefully the more I do this, the better I will get. Well, anyway, I hope you liked it, and I hope you stay tuned for episode 2. And I wish you a good day.